Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hey kids, a very warm welcome to all of you. I am here with a mathematics video, Standard 4, lesson number 9, topic word problem, addition and subtraction. Kids, you have already learned the solving of addition word problem. Let us revise by solving a word problem of addition. The problem given to us is there are 867 boys and 576 girls in a school. How many children are there in the school? Students, the information that is given to us is 867 boys and 576 girls. What we are supposed to find is total number of children in the school. So let's start with our first statement. Number of boys 867. Number of girls 576. Total number of students is equal to how many? Now here we will create a box. We will write the first number, that is 867 plus 576. Now let's add the number and get the answer. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 will be written down and 1 carry over. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 will be written down and 1 carry over. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 will be written here and 1 carry over. As below the carryover we are not having any number, we will write the carryover number as it is. So the answer will be 1443. Now we will write our final answer. The final answer is there are 1443 children in the school. Hey kids, whenever a word problem is given to you, you get confused by reading it. So here I have few keywords to make you identify the addition word problems. By knowing these words, you will be able to identify the addition word problems very easily. The addition word problem words are both, plus, total, add, altogether, more, sum, combined, in all. Students, all these words, if they appear in any of the word problems, that means they are the addition word problems. Students, isn't it an easy way to find or identify the addition word problem? Yes, I hope you will learn it and you will always use it whenever any word problem is given to you. Now let us solve one subtraction word problem. The problem given to us is Rakesh had rupees 25,670. He bought a computer worth rupees 19,345. How much money is left with him now? First, we will start with the first statement. Money Rakesh had, that is 25,670. Cost of computer 19,345. We are supposed to find out money left with him. We'll frame a box, write the first number, that is 25,670 minus 19,345. Now let's start the solving. Now, as we will start from units place, 0 minus 5 is not possible. So what we are going to do? We are going to borrow from the next number towards its left. That means 0 will become 10 and 7 will become 6. So the answer will be 5 and 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 3 is possible. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. Now the next number is 5 minus 9. This is not possible. So again we are going to borrow from the left hand side number. That means 5 will become 15 and 2 will become 1. So 15 minus 9 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Students, in this way you are going to carry out the subtraction sums. And let us now write down the final answer. The final answer is Rakesh had rupees 6,325 left with him. Students, as we learned the keywords to identify the addition word problem, same way we are having few keywords to identify the subtraction word problems too. Let's see what are those. Minus, how many fewer? Have left, how much more? Difference, how many are not? How much longer? How many more? Less, how many are left? These are the keywords to identify the subtraction word problem, which will make your identification of the word problem very easy. Students, always remember, while solving a problem, think about the information given, the answer to be found out, the method to be used. Children, to solve any word problem, these three steps are going to help you to solve your word problem very easily. Students, today we are going to learn a new type of word problem, that is mixed word problems. Let us understand what is this mixed word problem. Mixed word problem has solving of two mathematical operations together, that is addition and subtraction. While solving a mixed word problem, we should always keep the first number, that is first information, as it is. Then add the next two numbers, that is second and third information. Later, the sum of the two numbers, that is addition of second and third number, will be subtracted from the first number. Then we will get the final answer of the mixed word problem. Students, these are the key steps to identify and solve the mixed word problem. Now let us solve and see this type of mixed word problem. Let us solve one mixed word problem. In a nursery, there were 34,140 saplings. 12,890 were mango saplings and 11,350 teak saplings. How many other saplings were there? Students, here as it is a mixed word problem, first we will divide the page into two parts. On one side we will do the addition and on the other the subtraction. So let us begin with addition. As per the steps that we learned in the previous video, the first information, that is 34,140, will be kept as it is. We will use the second and third information. So let us start framing our word problem. Mango saplings 12,890. Teak saplings 11,350. Sum of mango and teak saplings, that means we have to add here. After adding, the number we got is 24,205. Now let us move towards the subtraction. Here, first we will write total saplings, then sum of the mango and teak saplings. So we will get the answer for other saplings. The answer is 9,935. Students, the final answer answer in the mixed word problem will always be written under the subtraction column. The final answer is 9,935 were other saplings. Students, till now the word problem was given to you and you were supposed to solve it. But today we are going to learn how to frame a word problem based on the information that is given to you. Two clues will be given to you. Based on those clues, we have to frame a word problem. Based on the given information, make one addition and one subtraction problem and solve them. The keywords are 18,250 maths book, 14,790 science books. Now as we are supposed to frame one addition and one subtraction word problem, again I have divided the page. Students, if only one problem is asked to you, you are supposed to solve only that. Now let us move to addition problem. There are 18,250 maths book and 14,790 science books in a library. Find the total number of books. Number of maths book, number of science books, total number of books. So after adding, we will get the answer 33,040. So now I will write my final statement. The total number of books in the library is 33,040. Now moving towards the subtraction word problem. The first sentence will remain the same in the word problem. That is, there are 18,250 maths book and 14,790 science books in a library. As it is a subtraction word problem, I will change my second sentence. That is, I will write how many more maths book are there than the science book. Number of maths book, number of science books, more books. So after subtraction, I will get the answer 3,460. Answer is, the maths book are 3,460 more than the science books. We will meet soon with another lesson of mathematics. Till then, keep learning something new every day. Take care. Thank you.